Let's go. The Force will guide. Hurry, Obi-Wan.
Do what you're told. Surround the Jedi.
Defend yourself! Back off. I'm warning you.
What's that noise?
Now, let us attack. We are not low. There must be if not. Now, let us press the attack.
Let me see your figure.
Fish.
Do what you're told. Surround the Jedi. Stay alert.
We must battle droid. Looks like it's in full production. Federation must be up to something.
Do something.
Don't fight. Defend yourself!
Surround the Jedi. Roger, roger. Terminate. This is a secure area.
Good job, Obi-Wan. Hurry, Obi-Wan.
Arrest. Surround the Jedi. Let me see your ID.
It's an ambush. They're surrounding us with force fields. Quickly, Obi-Wan. We need to find an alternate way out of these halls.
Defend yourself!
Quickly, Obi-Wan. We need to find an alternate way out of these halls. Press the attack.
Back off. I'm warning you.
Going. That's it. Great thinking, Padawan. Quickly, get into the ventilation system. We should be able to reach the command bridge faster by climbing up the air duct. Obi-Wan, over here!
Region Section 32. Be on your guard. Send reinforcements to Sector 6B. Continue with your patrol.
Roger, roger.
Obi-Wan, we can travel up to the next level by riding the updraft of this airstrip. Jump in!
Activate the sensors. We've received reports of an intruder in this sector. Be on the alert. They're heading to the main bridge.
All shipboard battle droids are now at alert status 1. Joining the Jedi on site. Obi-Wan, here is the way out of these conduits.
Surround the Jedi.
Send reinforcements.
Surround the Jedi. Let me see your ID.
This is a secure area.
Surround the Jedi. Did you hear something? Surround the Jedi.
The Trade Federation
Terminate.
is readying their droid army to warn the Naboo.
Terminate.
Defend yourself!
Surround the Jedi. Terminate.
Now, let us press the attack.
Terminate. Terminate.
This is the observation deck, everyone. We must be near the bridge.
Roger, roger.
The command bridge is just up at Obi-Wan. First, we must dispose of
This
all
is
the
a secure
security
area.
around the door. Obi, cover cover me while I cut through the bridge door.
Around the Jedi.
Defend yourself!
Close the blast door. This may take a little longer.
Surround the Jedi.
It's working. Blast door is away.
Let me see your ID.
Anyone else have a Jedi on screen?
Terminate. Terminate. Do what you're told. Alert.
Stay alert.
Surround the Jedi.
Almost through. Just hold them off for a few more seconds.
Terminate. Terminate. Let me see your ID.
Let's go. The Force will guide us.
Roger, roger.
The command bridge is just up ahead, Obi-Wan. First, we must dispose of all the security droids
Stay
guarding
alert.
Defend yourself!
Obi-Wan, cover me while I cut through the bridge door.
Surround the Jedi. Alert. Surround the Jedi.
Close the blast doors. This may take a little longer.
Surround the Jedi.
I'm warning you.
Blast doors are melting away.
Let me see your ID. Pull back. Surround the Jedi.
Almost through. Just hold them off for a few more seconds.
Let me see your ID.
Master, destroyers! They've got shield generators!
It's a standoff. Let's go. Let's split up. Stow aboard separate ships and meet down on the planet. Maybe we can attempt a bit of sabotage along the way.
You were right about one thing, Master. The negotiations, sure,